welcome back to Will's Kitchen Table. Today I'm doing some barbecue chicken today. It's a Victoria Day weekend. Guys, I'm doing a short barbecue today. I got some steak, I got some chicken here. I got some salmon there, that's jerk salmon I got marinated. I got some plantain going on my grill. Got something new. I've never tried it on the grill, but I'm trying it out today, guys. So you guys stick with me and let's go. Alright, barbecue chicken, guys. Going on the grill, it's nice and hot right now. Getting these down, and then I'm gonna make a nice barbecue sauce, guys, to put on these. So guys, I got one lonely steak here. One person steak, guys. Catch you when I come back. But I just want to show you guys my little garden I started. I got some callaloo going on right here. And I got some herbs up here, my fresh thyme. Look at my scotch bonnet pepper going, guys. I got some more to go in the ground as well. And I got tomato. I don't need too much tomato anyway, guys. So I got more stuff to go down, but this is what I got going. My herb over there, it's looking good. I got some here I started, guys, but I gotta get back to the barbecue. Guys, mouth watering, alright? Just gonna turn it this way just to get a nice mark on it. Some of these already. It's pretty windy out here, guys, today, so you might hear a lot of wind. So one side of my grill is a little bit hotter than one side today, just because of the wind, but I'm still working with it, guys. Still working with it. This side is a little bit lighter. Okay, these are looking lovely. Wow. Yeah, the wind, guys, the wind and my grill, but it's going. They're cooking. They're looking good. Finger licking good. Yeah. My steak here, almost done. I got my salmon to go on, but I gotta finish these chicken first, get them off the grill. Then I'm gonna throw the salmon right on and my plantain. So guys, eat with your eyes. It's what a lovely piece of steak. Guys, check out the chicken. Brush some barbecue sauce on this right now. Don't want too much barbecue sauce on my grill. Barbecue sauce is not good for your grill, guys. Make your grill go rot. Got a lot of nice kids next door, guys. You will hear them screaming in this video. Just want to show you guys what I'm having today. Wasn't gonna vlog, but said, you know what, gotta give you guys something today. So guess what I'm giving you guys? Barbecue chicken. Those are looking so lovely. Wow. Check that out, guys. So you guys check out what's going on the grill right now. The plantain is on. I got the salmon down. That's my jerk salmon right there, guys. It's wild caught salmon, guys.
So it's two beautiful pieces of salmon, guys, fillet. The plantain is grilling up. I got the skin on. I just sprinkle a little bit of oil over that and mix it up, guys, and throw it right on the barbecue. I'm just gonna flip these a couple of times, and I'm gonna put them into foil paper and let them stay on the grill and cook. And these are ripe plantain, guys, grilling up. See that? Ripe plantain. So you guys stay with me. Make the plantain together. Wow. You put them in the foil, guys. They're gonna get nice and soft. You want some nice grill flavor on it, guys. So that's why they're grilling up right now. Look at that nice juice coming out of it. Woo! They're looking good, guys. They are looking good. Alright. That's my simple dinner tonight, guys. Guys, look at the jerk salmon. Wow, that's looking good. Guys, it's windy out here, so you guys are gonna hear a lot of wind in this video, but stay tuned, guys, 'cause it's gonna be delicious. It's looking good already. I'm gonna put up my umbrella at the back, guys, taking some of the wind off the barbecue grill, or else I won't able to barbecue today. Check this out. That's what I used to block it. So let's check what's going on, guys. Wow, looking lovely. It's planting. Mouth watering, guys. Goes so good with the jerk salmon, barbecue chicken, and a piece of steak, guys. Wow, looking lovely. Salmon done, guys. Gonna get that right off right now. Wow, looking good, guys. Split the salmon right off here. Put it right in this bowl here, guys. Back in the grill for another piece. Lovely. These I'm gonna get them right in the foil paper right now because I want them nice and soft. I got this nice grill marks on these, and the juice is bubbling out of the plantain right now, guys. I'm gonna put it in the foil paper and let them sit on the grill for a little bit more because I get all the grill flavor that I'm looking for in them right now. So I'm gonna put them right in the foil paper. They're right in the foil right now. I'm just gonna cover these down nicely and put them right back. Cover these down, guys. Close the grill. Let them sit right there. So guys, check this out. I'm making some macaroni salad to go with the not shrimp, guys. Why am I saying shrimp? I love shrimp anyway. But to go with my jerk salmon and my barbecue chicken, guys, I'm making some macaroni salad. Macaroni is already halfway cooked. I just threw in some beans and corns inside the pot just to cook with that, guys. So you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna show after 10 minutes plantain. You're done. Voila. Just take a look at that, guys. They're looking lovely. Okay, guys, so it's time to make the macaroni salad. The macaroni is cooked and the vegetables are cooked. So I drain the water, making it right in the pot, guys. Then it's go to my bowl. I'm gonna put a half a teaspoon of salt right now inside this pot, guys. And I got some peppers, green peppers and onions all chopped up right here. Throwing that in. And I got a tablespoon of sugar. Guys, I got some avocado mayo right here and a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm gonna put about a quarter cup of Caesar dressing right inside, guys. You must be like, what's that? If you guys never know, you can use some Caesar dressing inside the mayo. Gives a nice tang to your pasta salad. it all inside, guys. Every drip of it out. You don't want to waste anything, guys. Alright, then we're just gonna mix this all together and we're ready to eat, guys. Look how lovely that looks. Whoa. Going right to the table, guys. Gonna get in a nice bowl. See how fast that is making your macaroni pasta salad, guys. It's really fast, easy, simple recipe, guys. There you go. Wow. Gonna get that in a bowl, guys. That's done. Wow. Jerk salmon. Really good, guys. Let's try the plantain. That's what I'm talking about. Wow. My macaroni salad. Guys, flavor up again. Guys, I gotta go eat. So thanks, guys, for watching. I'll catch you in the next vlog. Please share, guys. Like the videos. Please go to the comment, guys. Please comment on the videos. It helps. And I'll see you guys in the next vlogs.